In this video for my friends, I'm going to demonstrate how to use MacBid, Mac Discount, the app. Well, I'll send you a link, it'll be okay. Download the MacBid. Find the app where you can see things like Samsung TVs, packaging, it's been opened, garage storage cabinets, opened. There's all types of stuff. Nespresso, $1,600. Oh, that's an iRobot thing. $1,600. Apparently, it's been open, so it'll probably be worth half price. And if you look at the little thingy to the right, by search for products, boom shakalaka. There's a filter like new. Oh, hold up, just like new. That's it. And boom, look at all this random stuff. Oh, hello. A theater power recliner chair with $0 down, and the auction will be done in 5 days. It's like brand spanking new. There aren't enough pictures of it, but you can actually show up at the facility it's going to be at, which is Spartanburg, and you can take a look at it and decide whether or not you want to bid on it or not. And how to do a bid, you just hit bid now. Terms and conditions and all that blah 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 blah, and then you register to bid. And I'm gonna just put $1. I'll take the risk. See, $1. And if nobody bids on this chair, I get a free $700 theater chair. That's not hard. And if somebody outbids me, all I have to do is put $3 if they say $2. But more than likely, somebody's gonna put $100 on that, so I ain't gonna worry about it. And whatever you star, you will be able to see in the. Did you see that number go up? See that number at the bottom go up again? Then you go in there and you can see everything you put a star by. I'm gonna unstar all this stuff because I didn't see that it wasn't like new. See, I just learned something today. You'll see what I learned as I pull up to the facility. Alrighty, folks. I am now pulling in to the MacBid Discount Center in Edgefield of Cowpens. Riding through the gate. Do not block the entrance. Avoid all these rocks. Ooh, it's like a bumpy ride. Auction pickup. I'm gonna just go to the back. I don't feel like dealing with all these cars. Also, fun fact, guys, there's one in Greenville too. We're just gonna hop out the whip.
2,000 years later.
We're just going to open the app. And awaiting pickup, auction info, check in for pickup, and the employees waiting at the door will scan me in. A whole facility. You can either get pallets full of stuff, or you can get like small packages like Huggies and hair dryers and chairs, and this is all types of stuff in here. And if you look at the picture I took, that first letter stands for, it looks miscellaneous, but it's actually in a certain type of order. They do things different here, but you just look for the letter. In my case, apparently this is going to be a U, so T U, there we go. And the next number over, the SN just stands for Spartanburg. But Spartanburg U, and then it says 01. And I think I'm on 04. Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing up here. Something that looks like mine down there. And if you pay attention to the number that was on the screenshot, it is Spartanburg 230521, aisle 1. This is basically just the stuff so I can identify my product. But yeah, I got a carpet cleaner and here it is. It's a lot bigger in person than I thought it was gonna be. It's been open, but it has not been used. So I tried to get me asking the girl the question on video, but my hands were kind of tied up. I didn't want to drop it. So they say everything in here has been returned. So it can either be brand spanking new or it can be slightly used. But you can show up and look at the product before you bid on it on the website, because the location's already in there before they post it on the app. So I opened the box up and it has definitely been used, which I kind of knew because they post lots of pictures of the item before you bid on it. And it'll either be a brand spanking new box or it'll be a torn up, taped up box, which this was. So I'm gonna clean it up and I'm gonna sell it. There you go. That's how you do the mag bids. And thank you for watching today. Now I'm about to go home and eat me some chicken. Have a good day.